Hey, it's Wednesday, so you know what that means. It's another Wisdom Wednesday with the Tyler Miller team. Hey, it's Tyler Miller, all geared up, just in case I forget my name, with EXP and the Tyler Miller team. And I'm here today to tell you something controversial, to drop a little wisdom on you on this Wednesday. Surprisingly, and maybe shockingly, you know, the Tyler Miller team is not the cheapest realtor out there. Gasp. But why is it that we continue to, you know, lead the market in our area? Why is it that we are continuously a top producing team? And I think that the answer right off the bat is realtors aren't chosen by you guys, the general public, just by our commission. Because this is such a huge decision. This is such a life-changing scenario when you go to sell a home or buy a home, that I think it's common sense that you shouldn't just choose the cheapest person. You shouldn't just choose the one that puts the lowest number on the net sheet, because anybody can put a number on a net sheet, but it takes real skill, support, and dedication to deliver on the goals that we have set in place. Now, while we're not the cheapest, I will say that people usually choose us because we can show time and time again that we are going to net our clients probably the most amount of money out of any of the agents you've spoken with. We are also probably going to get your offers accepted quicker than most other agents that you talk to. And that's because we have a plan. That's because we have taken the time, we set aside a lot of time to meet and go through a game plan with our clients that go through all of the value and the resources that our team has to help you be successful and to hit your goals. At the end of the day, what you all need to remember when it comes to choosing a realtor, you're gonna choose a realtor that you know, like, and trust. That's it. It's not about the commission. It's not about the money. It's not about anything else. It's not about the cool logos. It's not about anything else. It's about who do you know, who do you like, and who do you trust. Essentially, the best way to say it is, do you vibe with that agent? Do you think that they're going to be able to do what they're telling you they can do? And everybody on my team that I have brought in has the same mindset and the same heart. We truly care about our clients. I don't hire agents that aren't in it for the client. We are here to deliver on what we tell you and our promises to you. And so just remember that when you're choosing an agent, it's not about the dollar signs, guys. It's really not. Obviously that matters. We have to be able to get you a very good price for your house. We have to be able to get you into a home that doesn't cost you an arm and a leg. But it's about how educated are you on the process? How is your experience? And does that agent, at the end of the day, deliver on what they promised you while sitting in your kitchen? And if you check out our reviews online, you'll know that we are 5-star rated across all platforms. I'm proud to say we don't have any ratings below a 4-star out of 5. And we've been doing this for a long time. You think we'd run into somebody that we didn't deliver with or deliver on their goals. But we just don't do that. We take this very seriously. We are up all day, all night, trying our best to ensure that we can make you the happiest that we could possibly make you and deliver you what we shoot for is a 6-star experience. So, all this summed up, Wisdom Wednesday, what are we getting at? With the market changing, with the market shifting, you need an agent that actually takes this seriously and actually can deliver on the game plan set in place. Don't fall victim to the low number on the net sheet. Don't fall victim to the empty promises, the guarantees, all these things that you hear out there. Go with the person you vibe with. Go with the person that when you hear them talk, you connect, and go with the person that when you see them succeed, you're happy for them. Because that is your tribe, and that's who you should work with, and that is how you're gonna have an amazing experience in the real estate market. Thanks for watching. We're here to help, obviously, at any time, reach out. I hope you guys can find your tribe. I hope you know that we're always here to deliver on what we say. And have a wonderful rest of your day, a wonderful rest of your week. hopefully the good weather keeps up, and we'll be waiting if you need us. Thanks. Bye.